everyone, this is Crazy Dog Lover, and today I'm with Rosie because I will be testing her intelligence. This idea was inspired by Jenna Marbles, so go check out her channel, and not check out her channel, check out Jenna Marbles testing my dog's intelligence. She does have a little bit of, she says like a tiny bit of bad words in it, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's get started with the Rosie testing intelligence. Okay, so first up is towel around her head. It should take 15 to 20 seconds to get the towel off their head, so we will time her. Okay, so we have the towel, and she's really curious. So I will place it over your head. Hold on. Start the timer now. Go. Come on, Rose, get it off. Get it off. Get it off, Rose. Oh, I reset it because it wasn't really fair. So it was half on her, so I'm going to put it on her this time. Okay, so hold on, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go, Rose. Do it. Do it. Do your thing. Come on, Rose. Do your thing. Take it off. Come on. Come on, take it off. Take it off. Oh, are you gonna be Rocky? Come on, Rose. Okay, let's see what the timer's at. 33 seconds. Come on, Rose. You're losing this. Get over there and take it off. Okay, Rosie lost this challenge. Rose, you are pathetic. Pathetic. So let's go to the points. And on the first one, she scored 0. Okay. So, I can't get the cap on. Come on, cap. Okay, next one is treat under towel. Okay, so I have a treat. I'm going to place it under a towel, okay? Come here, Rose. Okay. Look, I'm going to put it under the towel. You're not going to start yet. Okay, not yet. Okay, I'm going to start at 3, 2, 1, go. Go, Rose. Go, come on. Go get it. Get it, Rose. Get it. Get it. Oh, she got it. Good girl. You're a smart one. Okay, so let's put this back. Okay, now, hold on. Oh yeah, okay. So we're gonna need cups, and we're gonna put treats inside of it, and we're gonna take her out of the room for 30 seconds. And see if she points to the right one. Okay. Okay, so ready, Rose? You're curious, huh? Okay, look, Rosie. It's gonna be under the middle one. Okay. So I will be back in 30 seconds. Okay, we are back, and I'm gonna let her go see which one she goes to. Go, Rose. Oh, she did it! Rosie, good job! There you go, babies. Get it. You deserve it. You deserve it, don't you? Okay. Okay. Now, if we have a leash, and if they get excited when you pull it up, that is also a good sign. Oh, wait. I forgot to mark what she gets. Okay, so she got 2 for the treat under towel and the treat under the cup. So let's grab the leash. Let's try this. Do you want to go outside? You want to go outside, babies? Do you? Do you want to go outside? Your leash? Do you want to go outside? No? Oh, okay. I guess just put that right there. She gets... and open this. She gets a 0. What are you crying about? Do you want to go outside? No? Okay. So, Rosie scored 4 points. Good job, Rose. I'm really proud of you. Okay, so, if you guys don't know how to spell Jenna Marbles, this is her name. Rosie! I spelled that wrong, sorry. Jenna. Stop crying! Marbles. Test. My dogs. I don't know how to spell intelligence and intelligence. Yeah. I don't know. Jenny Marbles tests my dog's intelligence. So check her channel out. Check that. And warning, she does use a tiny bit of bad words. Yeah, she uses bad words. So Rose, say goodbye. No? Okay. Anyway.